Guys, so I wanted to do this Christmas look obviously before Christmas came by. I can't believe Christmas is in 3 days. I wanted to do a look with lots of red and gold, even though the gold kind of looks yellow. I mean, you can still feel the Christmas vibes. I didn't put any green, so I just put on the green dress and I drew a little bit of some mistletoe. Anyways, if you guys want to look like Christmas threw up on your face, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and let's begin. Okay, so I'm gonna use a winged liner brush and a red liquid lipstick. This is Beauty Bakerie's Cranberry Stiletto. Just use whatever red liquid lipstick you have. Again, so I just have a winged liner brush and I'm just gonna create a wing really up high. Okay, and I'm gonna be using Ace Beauty's Classical Paradise, and I'm gonna set that red lipstick. So just any bright red you have, I'm just gonna set it. I'm just gonna tap that eyeshadow on. Setting it again. Okay, now I'm just going to go in that same clay shade and a really small blending brush. I'm just going to tap a little bit of clay on that blending brush and I'm just going to softly blend out some of this red. Okay, now I'm just going to draw over that same red lipstick line with a darker red. I'm going to be using the shade Soil. So the same winged liner brush and a darker red, and drawing that over the line. I'm just going to blend it out again one more time. I'm going to draw it on one last time. Okay, so now I'm just going to take some Tarte Shape Tape and my Anastasia 3 brush, and I'm going to clean up under that line. Okay, now I'm just going to go into Colourpop's Jelly Mutt Shadow in Origami, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid. And I'm just going to wing it out. The shadow does get clumpy, but when it dries, the clump just falls off. But it's not a big deal because it doesn't really leave an empty spot. And if it does, you could just paint some more of this shadow on. Okay, I'm going to go back in with that same liquid lipstick and an E11 eyeliner brush. And I'm basically just going to make an outline or an eyeliner above that gold. Okay, I'm going to set it with that bright red again, and I'm just going to try to make it a little bit thicker. Okay, so I'm just going to put on lashes, eyeliner, and mascara, and I'll be right back. I can't do my snap because my thumb is swollen. Look how big this thumb is. I know you didn't ask, but I had like a hangnail and then my thumb just got swollen and like it hurts if I press it. but I really wanted to film this video, so I was like, oh, whatever. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm going back in with that bright red shade first. And then the deeper red shade tighter towards the lash line. I don't know what to call this tool.
Poly tool.
Poly tool, it's a nail tool. Okay, so I'm just going to take the nail tool and Colourpop's Arriba. I didn't want to use the same red lipstick I used for that shade because this is so much brighter. So look how bright that red is compared to that. And I want the holly to really pop. I already can't draw if my life depended on it. Plus I have my swollen thumb, so this is going to be interesting. So I'm just going to tap that tool. I'm going to basically make Mickey Mouse ears. So I'm going to put 3. Okay, I just know this is going to fail, but bear with me. Put one there. One right next to it. And one below. And I'm just going to let it dry first. So to draw the black liner around the holly, I'm going to use a gel liner instead of a liquid one because the tips for the liquid eyeliner aren't really soft, so it's easier to make mistakes. So I'm just going to take a really tiny liner brush and the gel liner and draw some circles around the red. Okay, so I zoomed in all the way so you can see me really mess up. Okay, so just taking a little of that black liner. So there's just like 3 little outline balls. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take a white liquid eyeliner. This is NYX's white liquid liner. And then I'm just gonna make little jelly bean C shapes. Okay, next I'm just gonna make 2 little stems. This is the part I'm dreading because I cannot draw leaves. Basically just gonna draw like Christmas tree leaves. Okay, next I'm gonna fill in those leaves with Inglot Aquastic Liner in number 20. You could basically use any green liner, even eyeshadow to fill in those leaves. But this one's just so much easier because it's so liquid. And plus, if you made a mistake with that black liner, you could just cover it up with the green. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that on my tiniest eyeliner brush. It's just really cute, tiny mistletoe. Okay, so now since I don't have any green in my look, I just put on a green dress. So we're gonna move on to highlight, and shocker, I'm not gonna be using my Ofra highlight because I'm not wearing any blue today. So for highlight, I'm gonna be using Colourpop's Flexitarian. And this is one of my brightest highlights, and I wanted to use it because it's the holiday and I wanna look really bright. So I'm just gonna go in with a Sigma tapered highlighter brush. I still don't know what brush to use with this because it is really soft and dewy. So what I usually do is I'll go in with a brush and then just stamp it out with a beauty blender. I'm just gonna tap it on first. Okay, look how pretty and bright that is. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna slightly blend it out with the Real Technique sponge.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
And then just put some on my Cupid's bow. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go back in with that same red lipstick I used on my eyes, Beauty Bakerie's Cranberry Stiletto. Okay, I was about to say we're all set, but I don't know why I keep forgetting to do the inner corner. So for the inner corner, I'm going to be using some gold flakes from GLF Cosmetics, as if this Christmas look needed more Christmas stuff. I'm just going to use Lit Cosmetics glitter glue.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys for boys.
Okay guys, we are all set. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. I hope you guys enjoy the time with your family, and I'll see you guys in the next video.